This is Como in the morning. It's even more pretty with some daylight on it and not just seeing all of the lights across the water. Very nice. Fiat 500!
Yay!
Now that's cute.
Very cute.
That'll do. Right, that's us leaving Como in a much wetter, okay, it's a lake, but a much wetter scenario than we arrived in. I don't think there's going to be many fun driving videos, so we're 250 miles onto Monaco now, and yeah, aim of the game is keep it in one piece. I'll see you there. For the border, and we've seen our first Monaco car, which is a chameleon green wrapped G with some wide arch conversion, and it looks disgusting. Now we've gone past the turning for Monaco and we're off towards La Turbie in Eze.
Monaco to do the Monaco circuit, which we have done before, but in the Abarth. So now we will be doing it in the Jag. Yeah, and our hotel is over there somewhere on that hillside.
There it is, the terrace. I like that.
Good.
Your side of the road, please. Oh, nice. It's clearing up as well.
Beautiful.
Servicing Bentleys up here. Well, we're actually heading in the direction of Monte Carlo now. We've made it across the border. I love that they've even got private jet adverts on billboards. Just JetX for anybody who wants to. Let them back in. Always very close. Come out of where the Rascas is, then onto the main straight. Oh, speed bumps on the home straight. That's not right. Oh well. Anyway, and this is where all of the pit garages are, on the right hand side when they actually make them. Or when it's the Monaco Horse Show like it was last time. They build all of the stables there. Jeez. So yeah, we're only doing 16 kilometers an hour. Slightly less than
Nice boats.
we could. Yeah. Steak and shake. Might have to do that. No heroics into Santavot, which is
What's going on there? What's that man trying to do in the road?
water access point, I think.
Steak and shake.
They've not paid their water bill. So. Right, how are we doing? Clear?
Clear, yeah. I recognise this bit.
Yeah. It's a lot steeper than it looks on TV.
Made me walk up and down here many times.
That's lovely. Phantom short wheelbase. This is not how it's supposed to be.
It's maybe doing it in reverse.
Miles an hour.
It looks clearer that way.
Yeah. Right. Here we go. Now we go right here.
You? I thought you went
Yeah.
left.
Is he saying no? There we go. What's this? Some sort of boat tail. RS6 in the queue doing a lap as well. Yeah, so ahead of us is the Casino de Monte Carlo. On the left is the Hotel de Paris. And then opposite that is, I think, is a Café de Paris. Anyway, mega bucks. But I'm having a good time, so it's okay. Yeah, so Conti, Maybach. And another one. I don't recognise what plate that's on.
A Kia.
Purasangue, just going in front of the hotel. In fact, there's another Purasangue, a white one. Cullinan parked out the front. I can see a Dedici Cilindri, two Dedici Cilindri, blue one and a red one, parked outside the hotel as well. The silver wheels over there.
Nice.
An FF, I think, all the way at the end of the row. That's very funky.
Nice.
And then last time we drove around the other side, but now you have to drive through the middle.
Do you?
Yeah. So what have we got on the right? There's G-Wagons, Dawns, Bollards. We can't even see the Dedici Cilindri because they're behind barricades and things. But that's the white Purasangue. Funky. And it is an FF. I can see the back of a black FF there. It's really bad for car spotting driving through the middle of Casino Square because you can't see anything. There's a lovely teal Bentayga. That is a brilliant colour. It looks like Aston Martin Ocelot teal, it's so dark. And then just walking through. Cool, cool, cool. Relax. Just good. Walking, just in the middle for no reason. Thank you. So good. We'll let the bus through. Oh well. Right, clear air. And everyone's a winner. So, come down towards the hairpin now. Oh, it's heaving.
It wasn't this busy last time we came, was it?
No. What's this? Oh, that's right. Precedence over them. We've got photographers, bro.
They're
You'd
everywhere.
love to see it.
They liked the car behind you more at the last turn,
Yeah.
but they still liked you.
Right, and then the tunnel here? Is it? Yeah.
No?
Well, it's changed. They've taken the balustrade down.
Oh, it's like a nice apartment complex.
And I'm just acutely aware that if I make any noise, you get a massive fine.
We should definitely do it again later.
Yeah. Lap by day, lap by night. And here's the yacht club on the left. So we got G-Wagon, Flying Spur, ooh, and a Vanquish Volante. That's quite nice.
It's very understated and quaint, isn't it?
So we could come and get a few drinks later. Brits in orangey. This is where it always stinks of booze in the morning.
Morning.
Lovely. Look at all the boats, man. Easy. Cool. Right, now I want to find some parking.
Is that it? We
Well,
done?
we're about to come around onto,
Okay.
onto the main straight. Have a look at the Bugatti dealership as well.
Nice.
Right. Parking then. Where to?
Well,
Yeah.
yeah.
Clear.
Stop here?
Yeah. Seem to have found the only parking spot in Monaco that has space either side of it. Happy days. Yes, go attack. While everybody's staring at an Aventador, there's a very nice Mulsanne here from Armenia. Lovely, two-tone. Rained on. Oh, and I'm zooming. No, it's been rained on. We've got an 812.